My name's Stuart McMorrow. I'm the Deputy Chief of Forestry Assistance Programs for CAL FIRE, and I help manage the Lewis A. Moran Reforestation Center. The L.A. Moran Reforestation Center focuses on collecting, processing, and storing conifer tree seeds for use by the general public for their reforestation projects. Private landowners, when they do reforestation projects, they need to find tree seeds somewhere. And this is where those seedlings that become forest trees start their life.
My name is Jessica Huang. I am the State Seed Bank Manager. The seeds will come from the field and they'll be delivered. And once they're delivered, we lay them out in their cone stacks on platforms, and they're there to naturally open. And after a week or two, we'll put the cones into a kiln.
In each of these boxes, we'll have several bushels of cones in it, and the purpose is to dry the cones further so that the scales open up.
We'll put them through a tumbler, and the tumbler extracts the seed, and once we have that seed, they'll go through another process of being air separated. We'll put them through a shaker table, which separates the seed from any debris like cone scales, needles, anything else that isn't seed. And then after the air separation process and the shaker table process, we'll put them through lab testing, which includes purity, moisture content, germination rates. And when they're up to our standards, then they're ready to be put into the 0-degree Fahrenheit freezer for long-term storage. This is CAL FIRE's State Seed Bank, and this is where we store our native conifer seeds. So inside the boxes, we have various conifer species, such as this is sugar pine, and they are double bagged after they've been processed and stored here at 0 degrees until a landowner from that seed zone and elevation requires it for reforestation.
My name is Kuldeep Singh, and I'm the horticulturist and nursery manager at CAL FIRE Nursery. Our soil is pre-mixed. We have 60% peat moss combination. It goes into that room there where it mixed. We have to add water to it so that it's very fibrous and loose material. And if we fill it in the styro blocks, that's the container we use for planting, for sowing the seeds. If we don't add water, basically it goes through the holes and falls off. So you need
My name is Catherine Bolte, and I'm the Assistant Nursery Manager here at the L.A. Moran Reforestation Center. We do what's called lifting all of our seedlings in December or January every year, and what that means is we have them growing in these containers that you see behind me, and we'll pop them out of those containers. So they're not quite a bare root plant because there is some soil on them, but they aren't in a pot either. And we bag those up and we keep them in wax produce boxes that keeps the moisture in and holds the seedlings at a steady temperature in a walk-in cooler, so they're ready for you when you come to pick them up at the nursery.